Yo, how's it going, everyone? Back today with another video. Today, I'm sure y'all see that box. Oh, what's up with the camera? Box. New car part. You know what that means? We're gonna unbox it. You know, I feel like a little kid. Christmas is early, so here we go. I'm probably not gonna install it today. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, fuck. What's up with the camera? But it is dark outside. But I still really want to unbox this because I'm pretty excited on what's in here. It's a big box, bigger box than usual. But alright, let's do this real quick. Come on. Alright guys, so here it is. Camera is about to die. Can y'all tell what it is? Well, it's a spoiler. Wow. These are the instructions. I'm gonna need that. I don't know what this is, but most likely I'm gonna need it. And the cool thing about the spoiler is it is already painted. Can you see that? Can you see that blue? Ooh, it's gonna look good. Probably not gonna open it all the way, just because, you know, I'm not gonna do anything with it today. I just wanted to see that it was the right color and everything came out good. I mean, everything looks in one piece. Instructions are here, so yep. How's it going, everyone? Back today. So last time when I stopped the video, I showed y'all what I got. Today, hopefully, it's a good day outside. We're gonna be installing this wing. Oh, you can't even see me. Here you go. We're gonna be installing my wing. It's my little brother, by the way.
Hey.
Yeah, right now I'm just looking with the kit. Came with some bolts. However, I'm still probably gonna go to Home Depot to get these drill bits. But whatever. So as you can see here, I pretty much assembled the wing. Not too hard, really. I just pretty much put on the bases, both sides. Not hard at all. For these, hold on, give me 1 second. Let me flip it. Right there. Alright, so these did come with the hardware, the screws. It wasn't too bad. So underneath this plastic thing right here, you have 3 bolts. You know, they all line up. All you gotta do is, you know, pretty straightforward. Just put them on. You know, it clamps on, and then you put this over, and then you have another 2 set of screws that you make, and it's pretty much the same thing on the other side. The kit says it comes with 3M, but it doesn't. But I mean, I don't mind. So pretty much what you do with 3M is you pretty much make a an outline on the base. So whenever you put it on your trunk, it helps it stick, and it also helps like no water get in. So you're gonna do the same thing on both sides. All you have to do is, you know, just make an outline around the edge. You should be good to go, really. So yep, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and yep, I'll see you right now. Alright, so here it is after I put some 3M on there. Like I said, not too hard. All you gotta do is just wrap it around. Yeah, I used 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, really, both sides each. So once all that is together, you know, the whole wing assembly should be good to go. Next thing you want to do is, I'll be back for the assembly. I'm just gonna show y'all. What? We go outside. Alright, so now that we're outside, next thing you gotta do is you gotta take off this liner. All you gotta do is take out these clips just all around it. Should free up the trunk space. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so now that this inner liner is gone, it's right there. Like I said, just a couple clips. It should free up all this space. I'm gonna back up a little bit. It should free up this space, and so what you want to do is you get your template, and it comes already with the two what do you call these things? Indicators, whatever, where you have to drill holes. A scary part, but fuck it. So I mean, all you gotta do is, you know, line up everything correctly. Take your time on this. Don't rush it, and you know, just secure it down. Once it's ready, you're just gonna take a drill, just drill 2 holes, one right here, and then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So let's go ahead and get it real quick. Come on. So once you do that, let me show you what it looks underneath. So right here, there's going to be one hole there, the other one there. For this back one, there's 2 layers. So right now I only drilled to the top one, but I don't know if you see that little indent. That's where the other one's gonna go. So for here, I'm probably just gonna drill using a little bit bigger, so the screw could fit through on each side, and that way it should line up with this one. So yep, we'll do that right now. Alright guys, so it's a brand new day. I did not finish yesterday. It got too dark and I mean I couldn't see, no light. So it's a new day. I would recommend for someone to help you installing it, because if you try to do it yourself, it's gonna be a pain in the butt. So you need at least another person. So for me, it was my little brother. So big helps with him. If he, you know, he helped me out. So this is how it looks after everything's installed. Damn. This paint color or paint match is really good. I mean, right now my car's kind of dirty, so there might be, because that's clean, dirty. But once I wash it up, it should look much better. Overall, you know, I'm pretty happy with it. You know, it was a struggle, you know, try to line it up and everything, but I mean, I think it came out really good. So let me show you how the inside, how it looks. Let me open this up. Hey, can you record for me? Alright. So look, come. Get me in the shop, man. Okay, so look. So the holes I drilled were these 2. This one was a struggle because it's 2 layers. There's one on top and this one. So this one was a little bit harder. But this one was overall pretty good because you could just fit in the bolt that was required through this hole. Same goes as that one. Right there. Can you see it? Oh, a little too short. So yeah, so you can just use that hole for that, which makes it so much easier. On this one, you have to you know, take your time with it. As you can see, I struggled with it, but fuck it. This side was much cleaner, but even if you mess up, if it's dirty like that, it's not gonna matter anymore, or it doesn't really matter, because once you put back the fender liner, I mean, you're never gonna see it again. So as long as the weight goes, I mean, it's not bad at all, you know. No problem whatsoever. You know what I'm saying? So overall, you know, really happy with the install.